Hello all, welcome to GNOSIS Integral Solutions. So we are about to discuss the market predictions and analysis for 22nd of August. Okay, so I just want to start with our group update sessions actually. So this is here, you can see this was updated on Thursday at 11 p.m. Okay. So it's clearly mentioned tomorrow negative markets can be seen and Nifty will have a minor gap up of 10 to 20 points and highly volatile. Okay, so do not engage in holding positions, perform short trades. Okay, so Nifty markets will and can reach 180 points positive and can dip 270 points negative. So BNF the same way 360 positive and 400 points negative. So this was posted on Thursday. So let's see how the markets were on Friday. So Friday you can see it was 198 negative, 670 negative, 651 negative. So everybody might think what exactly is happening to the markets, right? So as we have discussed before, so there are around 1600 or 1300 to 1600 plus companies or industries present in the Nifty 50, out of which the top 50 will be indexed in Nifty 50. Fine. So let me clear you a few things. To be clear, for every 6 to 8 months of period, okay, so the market valuation will be taking place in Nifty 50 as well as in Sensex also. So in Nifty 50 we can see there are many companies, right? So whenever the evaluation starts, some of the companies might lose their market capital and some companies might be replaced from the market itself. Okay, this is what the market is all about. So what happened on Friday, it's like market is being adjusting itself. Okay, so the market valuation has been taking place for other companies. So market valuation is nothing but the present market value of the company with respect to its present demand. Okay, so it will adjust its prices or its capital accordingly. So out of which some companies have gained positive and some to the negative. So let's see what companies have exactly gone to negative. So negative, you can go through the stocks actually by market capital. Reliance, TCS, ICICI Bank, SBI and Bajaj Finance. So from the top 10 itself, these lost their market capital. So we can see these only lost their market value of around 30,000 crores overall. So you can imagine how a 30,000 crore market value evaluation can cause a Nifty index, what a Nifty index can do. Okay, so for those 30,000 crores of losing their capital value, the Nifty 50 reacts accordingly, right? According to the markets. So this is not a complete change for the complete companies, it differs. So in order to explain you clearly, let me have a debrief. This is a chart for 1 year. So here you can see we started from 10,000 in 2020 for September. In the same way, from 2021 we were at 13,000 and slowly we have begun Okay, after COVID we have raised. So in October last month it was at a peak of 18.5, which we were nearly now around at 17.9 we have reached. But last year it was in October, it is 18,592. So the market reacted and it was bearish from here. So again the markets went down. Again the bullish candles have appeared. So again it strived to be again at 18,371. The same pattern again at 18,000. So this time what we have expected is that it has to cross this 18,086 mark. So that is the reason for the past 1 week we have been engulfing you like market will definitely cross 18,000. Okay, so we thought this pattern would be broken because there are new companies in the market. Apart from that, the companies which are existing right now in the market have gained a lot of capital and trust from the marketers itself. So we expected a positive market. So the trend line can be seen here, right around. Okay, so now you can see we were exactly at the same point here, 17,718. So for the past, we'll see like for the past 5 days, or let's see for 1 month. So 1 month, you can observe at 11th of August, there was a 200-point gap up from 17,500 to 17,700, right? So from here to here, the market gap up which we have from the last 10 days to 15 days, the markets might want to reset what happened. Okay, so as I have discussed before, there'll be a lot of factors which are involved in markets. It might be inflation of other countries, the inflation of rupee itself, the cost and prices of commodities like gold, silver, cotton, and other things. Everything affects the indexes. Fine. So now what we have seen is market has already corrected the 100-point gap up which happened like a 1 week before. It is very near to 17,700. We have been discussing in the last two sessions that market has support from 17,850 or 17,750. If not, it goes back to 17,650. It has been made very clear. If else, you can check the previous videos. The main reason behind is that this was a bullish streak, which we can say a harami signals. Okay, so the reason is that, so here when you can see the markets have already gone down, they have already crossed a level where it's a 100-point gap. So tomorrow our levels for Nifty 50 should be at 17,690. So if this candle, so apart from this candle, if there's a green streak, okay, that has to dip down to 17,690, and if it goes back again, that would be an engulfing signal. Okay, from here you can see a positive trend. But if else the market doesn't have support from 17,690, then we can see the market drop down to 17,530. Okay, please make sure these are the support levels which we are speaking about right now. Because last week was 17,300 was a strong support to the market. The reason we had expected market to go till 18, but